Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate tenant screening with TenantCloud. Complete guide step by step clearly. To automate tenant screening with TenantCloud, start by logging into your TenantCloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the Tenants tab on your dashboard. Click on Add New Tenant to create a new tenant profile. Enter all the required tenant information such as name, email, phone number, and property details. After entering the tenant information, you will see an option for Tenant Screening. Click on this option to begin the screening process. Here, you can customize the screening criteria based on your requirements. Select the types of reports you want to include, such as credit checks, background checks, and eviction history. Review the screening options and make sure everything aligns with your preferences. Once satisfied, click on the Send Screening Request button. TenantCloud will automatically send an email to the prospective tenant prompting them to complete the screening forms. Once the tenant submits their application, you will receive notifications about the screening progress. Check the Screening Results section under the tenant profile to view the completed reports. Carefully review the screening results to make an informed decision. If the tenant passes the screening, you can proceed with the lease agreement. If not, you can choose to reject the application and provide feedback if necessary. By automating your tenant screening process with TenantCloud, you save time and streamline your property management efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.